playing, seriously. She likes that so much. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please like the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be so grateful. So today, guys, you are going to see how we the Gwendi ladies we build a house. So I'm going to build this house. It will act as our bathroom, so I'm going to build it today. So right now I'm going to look for poles. I have my panga here, axe. This one is called sululu, the one which you use for digging the ground or the holes. And this is an axe I'm going to use for cutting the poles. And this one is power saw. This one is called power saw. What is this, Priscilla?
It's a bosso.
Boso. Boso.
Eh.
This one is a boso.
Eh.
So let's go. Let's go. So I will put on the gumboot when I'm building there, so you guys will see. Let's go. Priscilla, why have you put this thing here? You remove this thing. Give me that thing.
Let's
Give me
wait.
the boso. Santi. Santi sana.
Eh.
Olegamba echi.
As seeing here is a real definition of a strong African woman. Please watch the video till the end. Asante. There is something so unique about African women. Like, we don't fear to do things like, for example, building houses. Like, you don't need to all the time you be like a man will do, a man will do. There are things you have also to be creative and innovative, and you do them by yourself, because if you sit there and wait for the man to do for you everything, you might actually wait until actually you die. There are things you have also tried, and you'll find that you have not only tried, but you have really done it even perfectly. Though there are things you should also leave for men, you should also leave some things for men, not everything that you will also just do. There are specific things in Africa that they are for men specifically, but building houses, it's very normal in my village, very normal. That is why, please, if you are staying in the city, endeavor to take your children in the village, maybe during holidays, to go and learn this culture, because they might land into a wrong man who doesn't even know that a house is being built by a man. So as a woman, you have to be ready for everything. You have to be ready for everything. Don't just sit there and be like, the man will provide, the man will build. Even you can build. And for us, we do things by ourselves. By the way, this one I have to tell you guys, you don't just sit and wait to be given, though the Bible says a woman should be given. But till when? Yes, a woman should be given. That is very true. What if you get a man who can't give you, like, for example, can't build for you what you want? You build by yourself. Cut the poles, cut the stick for putting on the walls, and just you're good to go. Please watch the video till the end. See how I'm going to build the bathroom today, the outside bathroom. Guys, watch the video till the end, and I'm going to do it, and you're going to see it. There is nothing which you cannot do if you trust and believe in yourself. Number one, you must trust and you must believe in yourself that you can do it, you can make it, guys. So at this particular moment, I was now done with cutting the poles for putting on the walls, the way you will see me doing it. Just give the video a like, guys. So at this point, and me, I do things, I don't fear actually anything actually. Like time for work, it's time for work. Time for dressing nicely, it's time for dressing nicely. Every time you don't dress nicely, you do some work. Because even the Bible tells us to work. For us here, we even get contracts for building people's bathroom and they pay us money. So, guys, let's go and do it together with you guys, because without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you so much again, once again, for supporting me. Let's go. So, time for work has arrived. So we are building this one behind our house. We don't want to disturb Pastor. So time for work. Guys, this is where we are going to build our small house. And since the baby is sleeping, I had to put her there to be sleeping. You show them. Here we are going to put the stones. Please learn something from this video. Get 1, 2, 3 things to learn out of this video. Most of you don't know this. Through actually watching this video, you can also build up yours. Please learn 1, 2, 3. It is the same thing in class when the teacher is teaching. Sometimes you don't get everything that the teacher is saying or the teacher is saying, but you at least you make sure you come out of the class when you have at least learned 1, 2, 3 things. This person, this is Jen Model, this is me, guys. Like for me, I show you the real thing, like the real thing, not hiding. So please guys, now you see this one is no me. I show you the real thing, the real African life, the real way. Like you are there, my boyfriend will see me how. For me, I do it. Like if someone loves you, someone loves you. If someone sees you doing this and leaves you, then that person, I don't know really what you want. If you don't love what you're doing, it is okay. But if you get someone who loves, like, supports what you do, like someone sees you be like, me, I can't marry that. It is okay, guys. But me, I show you the real thing here in Africa. There is nothing to hide here. You make this one for making it deeper. Deep. I don't know whether you're getting it. So we are just building a bathroom very small, not something too huge. You want to beat me, chicken? So some of the yams will have to go because we need space. Guys, just watch the video till the end. You're going to see. This will be enough. So guys, you make sure that this stands very well. You have thrown your thing, is it? Yeah. You are eating it. Come here, I can cook for you. This one you can use it for time at this stage. Come and tell them how deep is this hole. So this is how the hole should be deep enough. I'm coming.
left hand, that's why I'm suffering like this. Let me come. That's falling. Let me come, eh? Let me give you. Let me first finish here small. I'm coming. We need some ropes and we are using the banana. This one is called what in English? The banana fiber for tying what we want. Consider you have. This one is not here. And we need
What about this one?
we need this also. I'm coming. This one we are going to tie it round.
So guys, the banana leaves, you use the dry one specifically, so that this one is going to act as the wall. We are going to use it as the wall, so please watch the video till the end. I want you to learn this from the day. You have to be creative. Some other people, they use grass, but for us we have a lot of banana leaves, the dry one, many, so we opted for the banana leaves. Okay, all right.
First come and show them. Show them. Guys, you see our banana is ready. See? You come closer. See, it is ready. So we shall come and get in the evening. This one is called Ichidozi. Yabu. First show them there. So we are using that one as the wall. She's going to act as the wall. This one for tying the caddy. I don't know whether you guys are understanding. This is very good. This one we have. You can just put. So before you use it, you first dip it in water, so that when it is very, very dry, it does not over tear. So you first dip it in water. The way you are going to see it. You first dip it in water. You learn how to build what I'm going to build. Don't just wait for the man to do for everything. You as a woman, you have to be creative and innovative. You're waiting for your husband to build for you the house, everything, even the bathroom. And you can do it, man. You can do it. Okay? Don't just sit and laugh people. Hey, I want you to learn how to do this one. Okay? This man should also be left to rest. So why you have that one. The video till the end. Don't wait for the man to do everyone. Learn it from me today. This is a lesson. Sit down, get your popcorn, and watch the video till the end. So now, come here, Priscilla. So now, we are going to twirl the head. Come and show them from this side, the general house, the general bathroom. So now we are going to twirl the head. When you're wearing the kid, you do this because we need this where we are going to tie the what? The banana leaf, the dry one. So, where is the panga? Where did I put the panga? I hear building is for men. Even women can build. Learn it from me today. Even you can build. Doesn't matter whether you are short or you are what. These are simple things which even a woman can do. Come and show them from this side. So you do this. So you, every time you are hungry. So just we want to get a simple. I just wanted to share this with my subscribers because so this is the one I got when you people told me they are climbing. This is the one I climbed from the tree. So this one we are going to add it with the other one. So I will put this one here. This thing has become again down like this. So I'll put this one here and this one here. We want to make sure that the masanja gets what? I think I will explain this when I'm editing. Explain this later because right now I'm actually tired. That's why I'm not actually explaining it well. I don't know whether you guys are understanding. Come closer, cameraman. Lord, I love you so much. Then I will show you the guys building, which we build with the nails very soon. These are simple things. You are there. Me, I cannot build a house. Those are work for men. Why do you degrade yourself so much? This is Africa. Eh? So, for us in Africa, we do things for ourselves.
Me, my husband will build it. Me, I cannot build a house. It's for men.
You? I wish I can find you where you are speaking. Ramya, how are you, baby? Ka baby, ka kushu. How are you, mama? I'm fine. So you make sure you tie it strong so that when the wind comes, does not actually cause trouble. So we still need a lot of banana fiber. It is just a small bathroom. So this side will be for entering. The other side, you people, you see, I've left it open. The other side for entering. So the real work is now here.
So guys, even we decided this is African way, like those days when our parents were during our parents' time. This is what they used to put on. This one in my local language, it's called the sapato matigia. So I'm so sorry, it's called sapato matigia. Like those days of my parents, they used to use this in a bathroom like this one, the one we are building. So we had to make this at the same time as we are building. And another thing, the phone went off and we had to charge it, so we have a little bit power right now. So I'm going to show you the bathroom. I'm so sorry, the final touches. So this is our slipper, which we are going to be using in the bathroom. African traditional slipper in an African traditional bathroom. Our African bathroom, it must match. You don't just bring here the slipper from the supermarket. It will not match with this type of the bathroom. So you must use the African things or the African materials. Okay. So if you didn't know this, learn it right now how to make it, so that you can also go and make it. Don't think this is kiddish or this is for children. Because when you go to different villages, you will find children are putting on this. So please learn it and also practice how to make it. And this brought a lot of memory. Actually, it brought a lot of memory, a lot. Please watch the video till the end, subscribe. And voila, this is, I'm actually almost finishing it. So guys, thank you so much for the time you have been watching this video up to
Guys,
now.
I'm very tired. As you can see, it was not easy. So our camera went off, but I continued doing this. So we have just got like 15%. Can help us to end the video. So guys, it was not easy. First show them the house, the whole house. I wish we had a drone to fly it. You people buy for us a drone, yeah. I will be happy that day when someone is like, I've sent for your drone, go to the airport and pick it. So this is so far the work. Where is the knife? Give me the knife. Give me the knife. So we are remaining with only putting, you show them inside. Come and show them inside. So we are remaining with only putting, down here we are going to put the stones, so that when you are bathing, at least you stand on the stone. I'm building this bathroom for my subscribers who will be coming to visit me, so that when you come, you don't again the suffer going to the I will show you where I will normally bathe from. We are going to do that video, I think this week. Just pray for us. Come and show them how I'm tying up here. So you do this banana like this, the leaves. Yeah, it was not easy, my dear. So you just try with some little, right now you don't need much banana leaves. You just need little like this. And you tie. So to women outside there, this is actually a lesson to you. There are things you can actually do, like this one. It is just like buying salt in the house. You should not wait for a man to buy a salt. Get the money the Kameza money Uganda buy. In Uganda here, the money for Kameza, it is the money the man leaves at home. When he's going for work, you have to leave some money for buying things which are not there at home. Camera person, you hold this, you whatever you show them. You'll be showing them the view of the house. Show them the view of this bathroom of ours. Show them the view. I'm so proud of myself right now, guys. It was not easy. Come and show them how I've been dancing when I'm bathing. Come and show them. I'll be dancing when I'm bathing. I'll be like. But guys, I'm tired. Even I don't have energy. This one we are put here so that when you are going to bathe, you put here lesu so that people from the other side can't see you. That's the use of this one. Okay guys. Let me try this one and finish up. this bathroom. This bathroom is very special to us, and this is what we're gonna use. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. May God bless you so much. Thank you for watching this video till the end. So wait, I'm going to pour the stones down here and I end the video. Let's go. So this one, basically, when you are bathing, you are supposed to stand here. Okay, you stand there, then you bathe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a like the video after watching, share this video and leave a comment in the comment section. How do you do it in your villages? How do you build the bathrooms? Bye guys, I love you guys so much. Nakupenda sana. Bye. I'm tired.